How have you been? I hope you are having a good day. When your documents are accessible, you unlock your documents to everyone, and people with different abilities can read and work with them. This video gives you step-by-step instructions and possible best practices to make your Word documents accessible by using built-in headings and styles. That way, you and readers can visually scan your document's table of contents. You can change this non-accessible resume into accessible one by using built-in headings and styles. For instance, organize headings in a logical order by using heading 1, heading 2, and then heading 3. It is also important to organize the information in your documents into small chunks. To make this document accessible, select the text that you want to apply a title. I selected resume in this document. Next, I want to apply heading 1 into the text, brief introduction of myself. To apply heading 1, I selected the Home tab and then clicked heading 1 in Styles group. You can also apply heading 2 by selecting the text you want to turn into. I selected sections such as work, experience, education, certifications, and volunteering. In this example, go to Styles group under the Home tab and then select a heading 2. I have several lists under the section Certification, so I'll use Bullet. To do so, go to the Home tab and then click Bullet button in the paragraph group. After that, type the sequential list. Then you have I also have several lists under the section Volunteering, so I'll use order the lists for demonstration purposes. To do so, go to the Home tab and then click the numbering button in the paragraph. After that, type the sequential list. Then you have Lastly, you want to see how this apply the headings and styles would look as read mode. To do so, go to the View tab and select Read Mode, then mark next to the navigation pane. Now, we see apply the headings on the left side of this document, and it allows you quickly move your contents around. Alright, that was a quick overview. If you enjoyed or found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up. To see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button also. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, leave a note down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Most importantly, remain safe and healthy.